This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Tan Smitty, congratulations. Thank you so much. You know what to do and how to do it as well, guys. Welcome to cameras. Please place your bets. Enjoy time. Don't forget about it. Out to play option number 1, 2, 5, 10. Coin flip, pachinko, cash, and crazy time. It's all yours. Let's go, everybody, guys. Pachinko 2x multiplier. Hey, Snaker, you were asking for another magic? Here is a magic trick, buddy. Pachinko 2x on the plan. We got a double on the board. Straight away, double on the board. Back-to-back game. Woo-hoo! That's pretty good, right? That's pretty good, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the multis. We got a 2x, we got a 3, 5, couple of 7s, 10s, 15s, 20, 25, 40, 100x, and let's double it, guys. There is a 200, baby. 200x to the fly in the middle. Come on, just to give me good spots. Give me good spots. This is a pretty good spot, guys, I think, for 200x to the fly. Maybe, baby. Come on. Come here.
This is the amount of money issued 595,571 euros.
We need a girl, Dimitris. Go away, Dimitris. Woo-hoo! 5,127 winners to the 200x to the fly. Ladies and gentlemen, who's the best? Mr. Steven, no, guys, you're the best.
Compliments your 983 euro win. Good job, ladies and gentlemen. Betting time is open now. Hey, B, why do I hold the wheel? I don't know. It's just makes me feel a little bit more comfortable. That's closed. Good luck. Top slot. That's Pachinko 3 times multiplier. And the winning segment for this round, it is Pachinko. Oh, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another Pachinko round. Here are the temporary multipliers. Why do I say temporary? You'll see soon enough. And the top slot has 3x multiplier for you. It improves all the values on this wall. Let's go. Maximum multiplier is now worth 600x, players. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 469,490 euros.
8,625 players wins game, and 1075 is at the top of the winners list with 24,693 euro win. Great job. Bets are open now. Oh, one-time millionaire. Good to see you again. Players, you ready to go again? Can you guess on which segment the wheel stops on next? Betting time is over. Good luck to you.
1.7 is the top, and let's go again. Let's go again. Good question, Jolly. You tell me. See. 5x on crazy time. Money? Well, why not? Money. Wait, what, Zane? Once again, please. Let's go! Yes, sir! Heater is here, let's go! Guys, don't say thank you yet. Now check the wheel. Whee! Now check the flappers. We have 3 colors: green, blue, yellow. Guys, this should be the highlight of the night. Let's go for it. As usual, majority with the blue. Let's get 500.
This is the amount of money issued: 281,326 euros.
A few. You got 125. You got 120. You got 125. Every single one of you had 125. More than 4.5 thousand of you with money. Let's go. Let's go! 125x for every single flop.
My name is Dimitris. Eh? Oh, such a cute girl was here, guys. Now, Dimitris is in the house. Hello, guys. Mr. Beast. How are you? Hello, JJ. I'm pretty good. Looking good for it's on the Caribbean. Raj. Coin flip 3x. Here comes the boom. Here comes the coin flip with a 3x at the platter. We got it here, guys. Top slots, ladies and gentlemen. We got it here right now. Red on the blue sides on the coin. Multipliers in the studio. Multipliers in the studio. No way! This is 150x on the blue side, 12x on the red. Just a simple flip.
This is the amount of money issued: 386,870 euros.
Time, ladies and gentlemen. 150x we got it here. Love to see that. Pablo, Kilui, Nidesh, Mr. Fantastic, Hihihu. Congratulations, we got a 3,615 winners. Well, I bet a one-time notes. You're the best, man. Dimmy, I love you, Mr. Beast. Woo!
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Yep. Oh, good theory, Gabs. What other good theories you have? I mean, you call me naughty and child and 35, Mimi. This goes both ways. This friendship. 3x crazy time, dear players. That crazy time which we're about to get, and we are actually getting, oh yes, I said oh yes, the triple crazy time. Are you ready? Because for one, I am. Of course it is! The triple crazy time with the big multipliers and the big flappers. Oh yes, the multipliers are getting better. Boom! Green, blue, yellow. Make your choice, please. Or don't. The game chooses for you randomly. And now, we're battling for a chance for 300x. The button has been pressed. Good luck, I say. Aha, that's already 60 and 75. Pretty good. But Team Yellow, Team Nami, getting the double action. So yeah, for a chance at 600x. Get it! Good luck, I say.
This is the amount of money issued 42,645 euros.
100. Whoa, 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 whoa. What was that? I'll tell you what that was. Yes, that was a 300x for Team Yellow. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Once and
Treads. 58 round winners. Seth most lucky on top of the leaderboard. Are we talking about the host here? Okay, let's go. Are you Mala Sujajin? Well, we'll find that out, guys. We will find that out. Hi, buddy Kokot. Hi, Jane, my favorite host, Namal. Hi, Antipoggy. Okay, guys, we got 7x on the cash hunt. That's what we need. Okay, stop. Woo! You guys, that's how we do it. Is that the biggest multi of the day on the way? What do you think? Woo! Welcome everyone to the cash and bonus round. Now, I'm not asking if you are ready to hunt for some cash, because I'm sure that you guys are. And now let's put that 7x on top of all these numbers. I love it. 700 is the biggest one, guys. 700. That's confirmed. We just got the highest multi of the day already. Someone will get it for sure. So now, let's mix all of these gorgeous thingies, and the time to hunt starts now. Let's go! Woo! I love it. Okay, by the way, OTPIC option is also available in this bonus round. So if you don't want to risk and do something, you can do nothing. Okay, let's see where that 700.
This is the amount of money issued 116,648 euros.
Found 700. A lot of you got 350. Congratulations. What is your multi? What did you get, guys? Tell me. 100, only 105. Oh, come on.
So, make your decisions. What is the next celebration for you? Yesterday we had Valentine's Day, and it's like a common celebration in most of the countries. What about the next one for you? Because we will have Women's Day. Do you celebrate it in your country as well? National Women's Day? Because this is quite a huge thing for us. Coin flip with 3x. If you're a girl, you just know that you will have, well, that you will get a flower from anyone. It would have been like classmates, whatever, actually. You just know that someone will do that. And when I talk my nonsenses, we're having a fun time with a coin flip time and additional multiplier. Oh, am I right, Stitchy? Are you right as well? Your wish, it's blue and red on a coin. And let's see. This is going to be interesting. We do have additional multiplier this time. If you're ready, I can push the button and we will see the multipliers as well. Ready? So, we do have. Let's add up the multiplier. 6x with blue, 300x with red. Good luck. I'm gonna close my eyes. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 186,083 euros.
This is the moment to have the highest win of the day once again, but this time it is 1,971 winners and 300x from a coin flip. We didn't get that 100, we didn't get that 25x or whatever that was, but 300x from a coin flip. Maybe I'm lucky when I'm closing my eyes. Alrightly. Angelica.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society. As a means of exchange in trade, the definition of money is an acceptable medium, used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.